In this video, we are counting down the top 20 Turkish romantic mafia series that'll keep you hooked from the very first episode. Starting with number 1. Kotukin, Dark Legacy. Kotukin follows Kartal, a former police officer turned nightclub security manager, becomes entangled with a dangerous mafia group. After years apart, he moves closer to his children to reconnect and escape the mafia's deadly threats. As he navigates the perils of his past life and tries to establish a relationship with his kids, he crosses paths with Nagihan, the mafia leader's daughter, who is anxiously awaiting her fiancé's release from prison. Their lives intertwine amidst a backdrop of betrayal and violence, and they find themselves drawn to each other. Together, they must survive the treacherous world of organized crime while grappling with their growing feelings. Kartal fights to protect his family and carve out a future, despite the constant danger that looms over them. Their relationship offers a rare glimmer of hope as they stand side by side, defying the odds stacked against them. Kotukin has garnered widespread acclaim from viewers who praise its captivating storyline and stellar performances. Number 2. Eşref Rüya. Eşref Rüya is a romantic mafia series which follows the journey of Eşref, a man who lost his parents at a young age and was forced into the world of crime. Over the years, he rises to power in the underworld, becoming a feared and influential figure. Yet, despite his wealth and authority, he remains trapped in a love he has never truly experienced. For Eşref, orphans are his chosen family, but his search for peace and meaning never ends. That is until he meets Nisan, a talented musician with a past full of secrets. She unexpectedly turns his world upside down, setting off a whirlwind of emotions and danger. As their paths intertwine, love and fate collide in an intense battle between Eşref's dark reality and his longing for something more. With powerful performances from Çağatay Ulusoy and Demet Özdemir, Eşref Rüya promises a gripping mix of romance, action, and drama. After the success of the mafia romance series Adem Farah and Gaddar, I think this series will break many records. Number 3. Gaddar. Gaddar's story revolves around Daghan, a soldier who returns to his home from the east, and he gets shocked to find his hometown transformed into chaos after 2 years of absence. His family is shattered, with his sister eloping, his brother involved in illegal activities, and his parents estranged. The love of his life, Aydan, is missing, and he learns about her infidelity, shattering his dreams of reconciliation. Offered a job by a mysterious manager, Daghan initially refuses but is forced into a life of crime when his best friend Samet dies, leaving him with a debt to the director. Faced with the imminent danger to Samet's family, Daghan reluctantly becomes a hitman, plunging deeper into a brutal world where he must balance his own morality with the need to protect his loved ones. As the series unfolds, Daghan's journey becomes a tense exploration of love, loss, and the sacrifices made in the face of escalating danger. According to me, Gaddar is a great series to watch, which marks a compelling return for Çağatay Ulusoy, showcasing his versatile acting skills in a well-crafted storyline. The series successfully blends suspense, drama, and action, drawing its viewers in with its intense narrative and leaving them eager for more. Number 4. Hududsuz Sevda. Hududsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 5. Ali Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Deveen, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Deveen can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Deveen's path. Can Deveen fix Aslan's issues even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 6. Eşkıya Dünyaya Hükümdar Olmaz, Bandits. Bandits follows Hijr Çakırbeyli, a powerful man who enters the mafia world after his brother's death. He begins producing weapons for the mafia but remains loyal to his country. The government offers him the position of mafia leader to stop selling weapons to enemies, but he refuses. His loyalty to his family and allies is tested as he faces dangerous schemes from the current mafia leader, Anil. His personal life is strained with his wife, Miriam, who tolerates his affair with Najli, but cannot accept her pregnancy. As Hijr navigates betrayal and power struggles, he must protect his family while maintaining his integrity in a perilous world. Bandits is a gripping Turkish drama with intense action, political themes, and strong characters. Fans praise its powerful story. Despite subtitle challenges, it's highly recommended for fans of action and drama. Number 7. Yüce Yüce. The series revolves around two central characters, Saliha and Cihangir, who are both emotionally wounded and disconnected from love. Saliha is a determined woman on a mission to take down a dangerous gang, while Cihangir is the ruthless leader of that very gang. Despite being on opposite sides, they unknowingly live in the same neighborhood, gathering clues about each other without realizing their connection. Their paths inevitably cross as they become both enemies and allies in an unfolding battle, yet remain unaware of their intertwined fates. As the story progresses, Saliha and Cihangir's lives become increasingly intertwined, with suspense, action, and moments of humor mixed into the otherwise tense narrative. However, despite the compelling plot and strong character development, the series ends abruptly, leaving many storylines unresolved and the viewer longing for closure. This unique series balances action, drama, and comedy but ultimately falters with a lack of proper resolution. Number 8. Kuzgun. Kuzgun is one of the best Turkish series. That is one of my favorite series ever. This Turkish series will hook you with its brilliant acting, gripping storyline, and soulful music. The complex character of Kuzgun, portrayed by Bariz Ardak, leaves a lasting impact as he seeks revenge for the past. While the first season shines as a masterpiece, the second season, though not bad, faces mixed opinions due to a shift in focus. Overall, Kuzgun offers a unique blend of drama, romance, and crime, leaving viewers hooked from start to finish. Kuzgun, an innocent 8-year-old, faces a tragic upheaval when his cop father is framed in a drug scandal. Forced to survive alone on the streets, he vows revenge. 20 years later, Kuzgun emerges as a determined adult seeking justice. He infiltrates Rifat's gang, using Dila, Rifat's daughter, to gain access. Their childhood love rekindles, but Kuzgun unveils his true identity, demanding his father's rightful share in the drug business. A tale of vengeance unfolds, as Kuzgun transforms into the perfect avenger with a plan to become the most powerful man in Istanbul. Number 9. Emanet. The legacy or Emanet drama series story begins with Kefsa, a poor woman who falls in love with a man from a rich and corrupt family. However, one day Kefsa loses her husband, so overnight she finds herself trapped in the Kirimli mansion with her 5-year-old son Yusuf, with no one else to turn to. But not everything will remain there, because one day tragedy comes knocking at the door again, and Kefsa dies in an accident. Thus, little Yusuf will be left an orphan in the midst of a vicious family lacking affection and love. Yusuf will be left in the care of his uncle Yaman, a powerful, hard and cold-hearted man. Although Yusuf is doing very well under his uncle's care, the little boy longs for sympathy, which he certainly does not receive in that family. But before Kefsa died, she had asked Seher, his sister, to take care of her son. So the young woman leaves her neighborhood and moves to the mansion, where she will confront the wealthy family in defense of her son. If you prefer shorter series or are sensitive to prolonged storylines, and not want potential emotional roller coasters, then this series is not for you. However, the exceptional acting, captivating storyline, and heartwarming romance makes this series so well, that I will recommend you to give this series a try. Number 10. Kurtlar Vadisi. Kurtlar Vadisi, Valley of Wolves, is a renowned Turkish television series that delves into the gritty world of organized crime in Istanbul. Premiering in 2003, the show gained a massive following with its dramatic portrayal of the criminal underworld and its intersection with Turkish politics. The narrative centers around Polat Alemdar, an undercover operative who infiltrates the mafia and forms a key alliance with the notorious mobster Süleyman Kakar. The series is celebrated for its raw depiction of power struggles, moral ambiguity, and the complex dynamics between crime groups and the state. The first 97 episodes, airing from 2003 to 2005, are particularly acclaimed for their intense storytelling and realistic portrayal of criminal and political intrigue. The show's gripping content and unique representation of political elements make it a standout in Turkish television history. However, subsequent productions, including spin-offs and movies like Valley of Wolves Terror and Valley of Wolves Zambushre, often seen as inferior in comparison to the original series. Its complex narrative, featuring undercover agent Polat Alemdar infiltrating the mafia, offers a gripping exploration of power and corruption. Despite some critiques on its realism and occasional cheesy moments, the series stands out for its bold storytelling and cultural impact. It's a must-watch for those interested in a blend of action, drama, and political commentary. Number 11. Cesur Yürek. This series follows Omar, who returns to his fishing village in Istanbul after completing his military service, only to find his community in turmoil. His friends and family are being coerced into illegal activities by ruthless underground bosses, who have stripped them of their assets and dignity. Determined to restore his community's honor, Omar takes a stand against the mafia. He is not alone in his quest for justice. Berin, a principled lawyer who has recently returned to the village, becomes his key ally. As they join forces to combat the criminal forces, their professional bond deepens into a romantic relationship. Facing numerous challenges from the underground syndicates, Omar must navigate a perilous path where he is forced to choose between sacrificing himself for the greater good or pursuing personal wealth and fame. Number 12. Kara Para Aşk. It is a fantastic love story of Omar, a dedicated and idealistic police officer, and Elif, a successful designer living in Italy, who returns to Istanbul to celebrate her birthday with her father. However, Omar and Elif's lives are unexpectedly converge. When tragedy strikes, Omar's fiancée and Elif's father are killed together in a car, linking the two strangers in a mysterious crime. As Omar and Elif investigate, they unearth a connection to diamonds, sparking a reluctant partnership to solve the complex puzzle, where their paths intertwine in a dangerous dance of crime, deception, and the quest for justice. This is a fantastic series to watch. However, there are many repetitive scenes, but I will highly recommend you to give this series a try. Number 13. Agnali. This series follows formerly close friends. Yavuz now upholds the law as a police officer, while Maraz Ali leads Istanbul's notorious gang. After Yavuz is unjustly fired for defending himself, he discovers Maraz Ali's betrayal and vows to bring him to justice. Despite their estrangement for years, the bond of brotherhood pushes Yavuz to pursue his once beloved friend turned foe, determined to uncover the truth behind his betrayal and stop his criminal reign. Agnali is a Turkish drama that evokes nostalgia and offers enjoyable moments with a mix of comedy and intense drama. Despite its flaws, it remains a recommended watch for those seeking engaging entertainment. Number 14. Çarpışma. In Çarpışma, Crash, Istanbul's Chief Commissioner Kadir Adali, devastated by the loss of his family in a terrorist attack, attempts suicide. His actions inadvertently cause a catastrophic accident involving 4 lives. Among those affected are Zeynep, Kadir's former love now entangled in a desperate fight to save her kidnapped daughter, Cemre, a lawyer with a secretive past, and Kerim, a recently released convict who finds himself in deeper trouble. As the lives of these 4 individuals intersect, they must navigate their intertwined fates, seeking redemption and resolving past grievances. The series explores themes of trauma, fate, and the complex connections that bind people together. No doubt, Çarpışma excels with intense drama and strong performances, particularly from Kıvanç Tatlıtuğ and Elçin Sangu. While its gripping start and complex characters captivate, the series can feel drawn out and uneven in pacing. Number 15. Çukur. In the perilous streets of Çukur, the Koçova family holds sway, enforcing a strict ban on drugs. However, a bold challenger emerges, seeking to defy this rule and seize control. Yamaç, a free-spirited young man, crosses paths with Sena, a kindred soul, and they quickly fall in love. But their bliss is shattered when Yamaç's turbulent family history resurfaces, threatening their newfound happiness. As Sena becomes entangled in Yamaç's world, they face unforeseen dangers and challenges that will test their bond to the limit. Çukur, The Pit, is an intense and gripping Turkish TV series that masterfully combines elements of action, drama, and family dynamics. With its compelling storyline, well-developed characters, and superb performances, Çukur has garnered widespread acclaim and a dedicated fan base. The show's intricate plot, accompanied by powerful music and captivating visuals, keeps you engaged and eagerly anticipating each episode. Overall, Çukur stands out as one of the best Turkish series ever made, offering a thrilling and immersive viewing experience for audiences worldwide. Number 16. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out by following the link given in the description section. Number 17. Gulcemal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulcemal, Murat Anılmış, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezin, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Buljimal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 18. Tetikchanin Oglu. Tetikchanin Olu revolves around the intertwined lives of two longtime friends, Korkmaz and Iskender, played by Temujin Esin and Sevket Koru respectively. The two friends have been close for 40 years. However, tragedy strikes when Iskender's son dies in an accident caused by Metin, the son of Korkmaz, whom he had lost 22 years ago and had been searching for all this time. The central conflict of the series emerges from this incident. Iskender, grieving the loss of his son, confronts Korkmaz about Metin's actions that led to the accident. On the other hand, Korkmaz is forced to face the consequences of his son's actions and the pain he has caused to Iskender's family. Number 19. Sun Yaz. Sun Yaz is a captivating Turkish series that deftly balances drama, romance, and suspense. With well-developed characters and realistic relationships, the show hooks viewers from the start. This series follows Selim, an idealistic prosecutor, accepts a risky offer from a former mafia member to end organized crime in Istanbul, pledging to protect the man's son, Agun. Agun, entrenched in his father's dangerous world, struggles to accept his father's decision to become a witness. Meanwhile, Selim's neglected wife, Jana, seeks a divorce after 18 years of marriage and vows to pursue her own career. Their daughter, Yağmur, supports her mother's decision and resents her father's neglect. Selim's attempt to reconcile with Jana leads to a turbulent journey to Izmir, where their presence disrupts the family dynamic. Amidst these tensions, Agun and Yağmur find themselves drawn to each other, further complicating the situation. Even though the ending may leave some wanting more, Sun Yaz remains a must-watch for its gripping storyline and stellar cast. Number 20. Adem Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adem Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. From heart-stopping romance to dangerous underworld drama, these Turkish mafia series have it all. If you found your next binge watch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite series in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay dangerous and stay